Hey YouTube, this is Valerie from SirenBodyJewelry.com, and today I'd like to tell you how to clean your belly button piercing. I had a request for this in video in the comments on another video I did, and I'd just like to go through it really quickly. So, first thing I'm going to do is wash my hands, so let me do that. Alright, so now that I've done that, I'm going to grab some gloves. If you don't have gloves at home, that's okay. Just make sure you dry your hands with a disposable towel or a very clean hand towel. Don't share it with your roommate. You don't know what they've swiped with that towel. Like, you know, they do some weird things, so who knows? I'm going to grab some Aftercare spray and a piercing Aftercare sheet so you can see what I'm going to talk about. First, I'm going to set up my little tray. Hold on. So, on our website, SirenBodyJewelry.com, you can actually see this piercing aftercare sheet that I have written, and it is in the bottom of the website, so not the header but the footer. Scroll all the way down, find the little clicky thing that says piercing aftercare. You can read through it and absorb the information in a non-verbal way, the written way, okay? So, I've gloved up and I am going to just proceed with this. I'm going to have to move the iPad, so hold on. Kind of did things backwards, but what do you do? Okay, so now that I've touched a million more things, I'm changing them for the second time. Alright, belly. Let's do this real quick. I have had my belly button pierced for over a decade, so I don't have crusties usually, but I might have some gunk I need to clean off. So I'm grabbing my piercing spray. I'm going to spray it. There it is. Woo woo. So I'm going to spray it directly on my belly button piercing. It's going to drip down, and I'm aware of that, so I'm cupping it with my hand. I'm also going to take my spray, and on my tray, I just have a clean paper towel with some clean Q-tips on it. I'm going to spray those Q-tips directly on the top and bottom. Saturated it so the fibers are not going to be as risky. Okay, so back to the belly button. Caught the drippage. I would like to clean the top part with the Q-tip here, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. This is a really cute belly ring. This is our titanium green opal belly ring, anodized bronze, and the length is 3/8 of an inch. As you can see, I have a little bit more room. The shape of my belly button is not super ideal for this type of a piercing, but it's actually lasted quite a while. So I have cleaned the top and the bottom bar. With that, I set that one down, and I'm grabbing the second one, and I'm just going to go ahead and clean my belly button itself and try to clean the back of that ball too. I showered this morning, so it's really freaking clean, but as you know, we go throughout the day, things get dirty. So okay, nice and clean. I'm looking down at my belly button, and I'm going to tighten it by turning it clockwise. Okay, unscrew would be counterclockwise. I'm checking to make sure the top ball's tight. So grab the bottom to hold, give it a good squeeze with dry hands or gloves, good to go. Voila, that's all that you need to do. Belly button clean, happy, and healthy. That's the goal, right? Happy and healthy. That's my goal. Even if I have a bad day, it still better be a healthy day. Okay, so I went over the basic how to clean it. That's really simple. And in fact, there's 1,000 ways to clean your belly button online, and however you do that is ultimately up to you. It's your body, so you can listen to me or you don't have to. I have no interest in entertaining you for hours on how to clean it the right way. However, there are some things I'd like to tell you to avoid real quickly, and you can debate about these in the comments below or write me off completely. 2 things I would think are not the best to use would be a piercing solution that has preservatives in it. Those can actually cause irritation and sensitivity in people that have just gotten their belly button pierced. It is a puncture wound, and those things can slide on in there and cause some issues. You can have sensitivities to preservatives, things like that. The second thing I'd like to mention is the use of essential oils. People have gone to the internet, and they definitely associate things like tea tree oil and essential oils with cleanliness. They are present in things like green soap, which we use for tattooing, so it's not something I would say is not to be used. It should be used properly, and if you don't know how to properly dilute essential oils, then don't use them. Straight off the bat though, I never suggest the use of tea tree oil or any kind of essential oil on any piercings, period. I'm just saying, if you're gonna use it, do your research and learn how to dilute it properly. There's a lot of hazards with undiluted essential oils, and they can lead to problems that are not anything to do with your piercing, and you've inflicted it on your piercing yourself by using it undiluted or not diluted correctly. Too complicated. How about you just, clean it well, keep it clean, tighten it, make it a really fun, mellow experience. If you have further questions, please refer to the website, sirenbodyjewelry.com. Read through my aftercare sheet. It doesn't include the entire world of things to avoid. I'm sorry, I can't do that. I tried to put the most important things on there so that people are not overwhelmed, and that way it's not such a stressful endeavor. So thanks for asking for me to do this video. Sorry it took a couple days, but during this whole shakeup of the world, it's been a little hard to be the calm Valerie that people prefer. I really have been a little sad myself, so let's take this time to enjoy the video and treat ourselves well and take care of our piercings in this time. We'll get through this somehow, and let's make sure that we don't cause our body harm by improper cleaning or using the wrong things. So the point of this video is to encourage you to stay happy and healthy, and to visit our website if you have questions. You'll speak when you email, call, or text, or Facebook, you're gonna speak to me at some point. And I am a wealth of information, so if you want to tap into my resources, just get a hold of me. You can even call, leave a message, I'll call you back. So feel free. Take care. And again, the website, sirenbodyjewelry.com. I'm going to put the links below for the piercing aftercare sheet, so you don't have to find it yourself. You just click, and then the website. Looking forward to doing another video. If you would like to request a video within reason, I will accommodate accordingly. So thanks. Bye.